Hello, que mi gente. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone's doing okay. I'm doing okay. So I'm putting together this video with a whole bunch of clips that I have um, from my phone and one of my cameras, and this is just randomly. I ended up riding the Brightline train from West Palm Beach all the way to Orlando, Orlando Airport. That's where it actually ends. The Bright Line goes all the way from Miami, and it ends in Orlando. So I rode it from West Palm Beach to Orlando, and I just took a bunch of clips and stuff, and it was a while ago, and I was gonna pick up Susie. She was in Orlando driving, but she didn't want to drive back down here alone. So I rode the train up so I can meet up with her. She picked me up at the airport, at the train station, and then we drove down together. So, and I didn't really do a video of review of the train. I just sat on my chair and then just kind of look outside and filmed this, the scenery going by outside. And so I don't know. So I just wanted to make a video because me, I like making videos for YouTube. So yeah, here it goes. Well, they're already making the announcements for the train that is going north to Orlando, 6:03 p.m. Everybody's getting ready. So you can see people getting in line here. And there's some folks that are gonna actually stay behind because they're going on the south train to Miami. So they're about to open the rope, the curtain. Here we go.
For any guests traveling with strollers, heavy luggage, or assistive devices, please use the elevators. Thank you for choosing Brightline.
You gotta remain behind the yellow line. Coach 4. Oh, I gotta find that on my phone. So, Coach 4. Coach 4.
Good evening, Brightline guests. This is the final boarding call for the 6:03 p.m. train to Orlando. Please proceed downstairs to the platform.
Here comes the train. So this is Coach 4, where everybody is parked here. Here we go.
Continúe abajo hasta la plataforma.
So this is Coach 5. Smart. So this is Smart 4.
make sure you are seated in the correct coach and seat. Train attendants or security may come by to verify your tickets. For your convenience, you can now order your food and beverages directly to your seats by scanning the QR code located at your seat bag. Thank you for choosing Brightline.
Shut up and sit down. And sit down.
See how slow we're going? You can literally see the details of everything that we're passing. We're going really slow. We have been coming north up the coast, and then we slow down. We're gonna go west into Orlando. I think that's what we're doing right now. We're actually on a curve. It's nice to go slow because you can actually see the details of the scenery. And this trip was cool to have done it. Oh, this is actually Sanford. We're actually turning right on Sanford. I've been here before. Interesting. And there we go. We are finally driving next to 528, the B line. So this is the final home stretch to get into Orlando Airport. With a beautiful sunset in the distance. That is just an awesome view. I never see the sunset. It's beautiful from Orlando. Remember, we're all the way in the center of Florida, so we're not even on the East Coast or the West Coast. And I believe that is 528. There's the employee parking lot. Good old times. Good old times. I got to see the old house. Oh my God, it's touring. Yeah. There's the old house. Oh my God. I forgot how busy it gets here. Let's go red. See the blue beacon lights on. Let's go red. It is raining.
We will be arriving in Orlando shortly, which is our final stop. Please gather your belongings. If you checked in baggage with us today, please proceed to guest services for pickup. For ground transportation, rideshare and car rentals, Please follow posted signs at the exit of the station. If you're catching a flight, exit the station and follow signs to terminals A, B, and C. Thank you for riding Brightline. We look forward to seeing you aboard again soon.
Llegaremos a Orlando en breve, que es nuestra última parada. Por favor, recoja sus pertenencias. Si registró equipaje con nosotros, diríjase a servicio.
Welcome to Orlando. We have arrived at the station, Orlando International. It's about 8:20, so we're about 5 minutes early.
Welcome to Orlando. Have a bright day.
Bienvenidos a Orlando, que tenga un día brillante.
We finally made it to the Orlando airport, final destination. Exiting the Brightline train. This is the last stop. So from here, we will head back to Miami. So I guess everybody's going this way. Let's follow the crowd. Thanks for the ride. So I've done this train ride southbound. I've already taken it from here to Fort Lauderdale, and I was picked up in Fort Lauderdale. And now I did it coming northbound. Ooh. Just missed it. Over there in the distance, big light. So as the train was actually passing by the airport, right next to the gates where Southwest is, I could see that it was coming down, it was pouring. And Orlando is famous for that. It is actually called the lightning capital of the world. This is the premium lounge. So that would actually be for people who. So this is Central Florida. You can see Melbourne. That's where the beach is. Kissimmee, and that's where I used to live. Orlando, Lake Mary, and Lakeland. Some of the major cities. So this is inbound. Inbound from people that are actually coming on board, and this is the exit. So they have a little lounge. They have the Mary Mary bar, and then they have a waiting room over there. Just like the one back in West Palm Beach. So here I don't need to scan anything because we're just exiting. To come in is when you actually need to scan your barcode. It's already being used. So that means it's already gone. So we're actually entering into the C terminal. So this actually goes towards the forward of the building. That's where I need to go because I'm gonna get picked up over there. And this goes back towards the C terminal. Hello, home. Look how majestic and size of this place is. Bring back memories. I used to come out here when there was downtime between flights, and just ride. There's a tram here that travels between Terminal A and B, and this is Terminal C. So see right there, gates A, B, C. So if you want to go to Terminal C, you actually have to go out those doors, cross the bridge, and out onto the other side. That's what Terminal C is. But we are not in the actual Terminal C. We are actually on the Brightline pickup area. So as you can see, there's a tram coming. This takes you back and forth between gates A, B, and C, which is over here. Memories. I can get over how big this place is. You know how much energy and power you have to use just to cool this place up or heat it if it's cold outside. It's huge. And here in this corner, let me show you. I feel like I'm back at home. It's a weird feeling. Man, it's dark out there. It's always an eerie feeling. So all this area right here, they put a huge Christmas tree that goes all the way to the top, and you can see it from outside. Surprisingly, it hasn't started raining yet. But it was pouring over there by the airport, which means that the airport was on code red, lockdown, meaning nobody can go outside because there is lightning detected within a 3-mile radius from the airport. So we're gonna go down these escalators all the way to the bottom for transportation, and then we'll go Susie from there. She should be almost here. See you in a minute.
Shut up and sit down.